Got weight loss on your mind? Let's break it down, step by step. All right, folks, weight loss isn't just about shedding pounds, it's about embracing a healthier lifestyle. So, let's dive in. First up, diet. To lose weight, aim for a caloric deficit. Eat whole foods like fruits, veggies, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Keep portions in check and stay hydrated. Next, exercise. Mix cardio with strength training. Running, cycling, and dancing burn calories. Strength training builds muscle, boosting your metabolism. Consistency is key. Aim for 150 minutes of exercise a week. Don't forget weight management. Practice mindful eating, get 7 to 9 hours of sleep, and manage stress with yoga or meditation. Surround yourself with a supportive crew and celebrate your small wins. Treat yourself to non-food rewards. Remember, sustainable weight loss is a journey, not a race. You got this. Got questions on meal planning or exercise routines? Drop them in the comments.